with black mold. Something I feel very strongly about. Martin on the boat today. All right. So, what have we accomplished today? Nothing yet, but we've had a lot of sweating and tears. Sobbing and crying.
No sobbing and crying. I want to try and pull the things out. See where it's sticking, and I want to try and pull the jib out.
Oh, do you need any help? Oh.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's just, I've got nothing to do right now, you know?
It's okay. I know you like to sit on the front of the boat.
Yeah, and polish my nails. Oh, that's what I like to do. You see, you don't mind if I go home. I'm just going to go home and do my usual thing.
I don't mind. I know that you don't like messing around on the boat like I do.
Well, not when it smells like black. Mold. It smells like black mold in there, and I really don't want anything to do with black mold. Oh yeah, it is a lovely thing. Okay.